Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Blue color, yellow color, red color, yellow ochre color, green color, black color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we draw A. A is for apple. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball. Kids, now I draw C. C is for cat. Kids, now I draw D. D is for dog. And use yellow color. E. E is for egg. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F. F is for fish. Kids, now I draw G. G is for God. And use red color. H. H is for hand. It's again use red color and draw I. I is for ice cream. It's an I draw J. J is for joker. And use yellow ochre color. Kids, now I draw K. K is for kite. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw L. L is for lion. Kids, now I draw M. M is for moon. And use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw N. N is for nose. Kids, now I draw O. O is for orange. And use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw P. P is for parrot. Kids, now I draw Q. Q is for queen. Kids, now I draw R. R is for red. And use blue color. S. S is for shape. Kids, again use blue color and draw T. T is for tiger. Kids, now I draw U. U is for umbrella. And use yellow color. Kids, I can use yellow color and draw V. V is for van. Kids, now I draw W. And again use yellow color. Kids, now I draw X. X is for X-ray. And use blue color. Y. Y is for Joker. It's again use blue color and draw Z. Z is for zebra. It's now you draw numbers. First you draw 1 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 2. Kids now you draw 3. THRW 3. Kids now you draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use green color. Green color. 5, 6. Kids now you draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use black color. 8, 9. Kids again use black color and draw 10. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.